This is our biochemistry lab. And that if you see this one has a very different look about it. One of the features of our new science building, STEM Hall, was that some of the labs were built to be dual use. And so sometimes we actually do classes in here as well. So it has more of an open feeling to it. But when we're doing biochemistry stuff in here, we're doing things like measuring the properties of DNA or doing PCR type of work, or using this instrument over here to measure the properties of proteins. This is an ultraviolet visible spectrometer, so it measures the absorption of visible and ultraviolet light, and that it can do it as it changes the temperature. And one of the things that happens to proteins, this is like when you cook an egg. What causes the egg to cook is that the protein has its very compact kind of spherical globular shape disrupted, so it turns into more like pieces of spaghetti. And that this instrument can then change the temperature over time and actually examine that process as it goes through. Those are some of the things that you would do in the biochemistry, which is, again, a junior level class that you would take if you're a biochem major or a chemistry major along the way as well.